Okay, pre-intermediates, we're looking at these linking words. Now the reason we use linking words is to make bigger sentences, because now we're going to start writing stories and we need bigger sentences. I'll give you some homework later. So here are the 4 different linking words. There is another one that we learned, it's just and, like I like chips and beans and Coca-Cola, you know, and. We know that one quite well. But let's just look at these, especially these 2, not all of them. I couldn't buy anything because I forgot my purse. Because. I couldn't buy anything because this is the reason. This is the reason I couldn't buy anything. So I couldn't buy anything, and the reason for that is that I forgot my purse. So we use because to give a reason. But let's look at this. He has broken his arm, so he can't play football. We use so if the reason is first. The reason, and then what he can or cannot do. Here, this is what you can or cannot do, and here is the reason. So what you can do with these, you can turn them around. You could say, I forgot my purse, so I couldn't buy anything. Or you could say, he can't play football because he has broken his arm. So these 2 words are the same, but with because, the reason comes after, and with so, the reason is first. So make sure you note that, it's important. This is a great word, then. We use then to show what happens next. Here's an example. First, you put the cassette in, then you press the button, and then you listen to the music, and then you go to sleep. Then. And the other one here is the word but. Now, but shows a contrast, like positive to negative or negative to positive. So here, we got an expensive computer this week, an amazing computer, the best computer in the world, but we're having a lot of problems with it. Strange. It's a fantastic computer with lots of problems. No good. Another great example of the word but is here. The new teacher is very nice, but she's very strict about the homework. Strict means she makes you do the homework. So she seems very nice, but she's like quite nasty about homework. I'm not nasty about homework. I like you to do, I'm very nice, aren't I, about homework? Yeah. So, here's another so, have a look. It's terribly hot on the beach, so we are taking the children home. Or, we are taking the children home because it's terribly hot on the beach. So remember how you can use these 2 words. Here's another one, very similar. His boss was angry because, and this is the reason, he was late for work 3 times this week. Or, he was late for work 3 times this week, so his boss was very angry. Finally, we struggled a little bit with this one because actually there are 2 possible answers. Finish your drink, and then the next thing, we must go home. But I really liked somebody else put because. Finish your drink because we must go home. Okay? We must go home, so please finish your drink quickly because we must go home. Okay, so that's it for today. But, so, because, and then all the explanations to make much longer sentences for stories.